Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Unicorn Eyeliner is probably one of the most magical and whimsical makeup products to hit the beauty scene, allowing you to express your creativity and add a touch of fantasy to your everyday look or a special occasion. Imagine wings that shimmer with iridescent hues, or graphic liner that pops with vibrant, otherworldly colors. This eyeliner promises to transform your gaze into something truly enchanting, making it a must-have for anyone looking to stand out and embrace their inner mythical creature with bold, imaginative style. Number 5. 10 Colors Liquid Glitter Eyeliner. Get ready to shine with our Dazzling Liquid Glitter Eyeliner. Available in 10 vibrant colors, it's perfect for any occasion. Create stunning, metallic looks that capture attention. The rich shimmer pigment delivers an unforgettable finish for your eyes. Don't worry about smudging or fading. This waterproof formula stays put all day and night, ensuring your makeup looks flawless. This versatile product isn't just for your eyes. Use it to add shimmer to your eyebrows, lips, or even create unique face art. Elevate your party and festival makeup with a touch of glamour. Express your creativity and stand out from the crowd. Let your imagination run wild. This glitter eyeliner is your new best friend for creating bold and artistic makeup looks. What we like? This offers a wide spectrum of dazzling shades for creative expression. Its shimmering finish is perfect for adding a pop of glamour. If you love experimenting with bold looks for parties or festivals, this is your go-to choice. What people say. It adds the perfect pop of sparkle to any look without being too over the top. The application is smooth and effortless, with a precise tip that makes it easy to create both subtle and bold lines. The glitter is finely milled, so it doesn't feel gritty or uncomfortable, and it stays put all day without smudging or flaking off. They last all day, they come off with a little gentle rubbing of water and foam soap. If you want to avoid that the glitter smears off onto your eyelid, then after applying the glitter eyeliner, I recommend closing your eyes and drying the application for about 2 minutes or so. It's easy to apply and it looks great, just applied before mascara. They stay on until I wipe them off and they do not smudge. Do not irritate and the quality is very good. Number 4. Honest Beauty Long-Lasting Liquid Eyeliner. Tired of eyeliner that flakes off? Our long-lasting formula stays put all day, ensuring a flawless look from morning to night. Achieve the perfect line every time. The precision tip allows for effortless application, giving you complete control for any style you desire. Designed with your sensitive eyes in mind. This hypoallergenic formula is gentle and comfortable, even for those who wear contact lenses. Feel good about your beauty choices. Our product is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, so you can enhance your look ethically. Define your eyes with a rich, intense black. This deep shade provides a bold and dramatic finish that complements any makeup look. Experience the difference of a truly long-lasting liquid eyeliner. It's your go-to for a smudge-proof and fade-resistant finish that lasts. What we like? It provides a clean, sharp line that stays put all day. The gentle, ethical formula is ideal for sensitive eyes. If you need a reliable, everyday liner that's kind to your skin and the planet, this is an excellent option. What people say. The tip is precise and smooth, so it's easy to get a clean line even if you're not great with liquid liners. It dries quickly and doesn't smudge, flake, or transfer throughout the day, even after long hours. It's long-lasting but still easy to remove at the end of the day with a gentle cleanser. This eyeliner stays put and looks good after several hours out and about running errands in the heat. No extra line when my eyelids touch. No raccoon eyes. No smudge. A nice clean line that stays. Number 3. ETUDE Teardrop Eyeliner. Introducing the ETUDE Teardrop Eyeliner. Achieve a dazzling, crystal and opal glitter effect that lasts all day. Our long-lasting formula ensures your sparkle stays put without smudging. Enjoy flawless wear from morning to night. Designed to be friendly for all skin tones, this eyeliner enhances your natural beauty. It's the perfect addition to any makeup look. Experience the magic of Korean beauty with this unique teardrop eyeliner. It adds a touch of ethereal sparkle to your eyes. Create a delicate, luminous effect with the white tear shade. It's ideal for accentuating your eyes with a subtle, captivating shimmer. What we like? This delivers a delicate, ethereal shimmer for a touch of magic. It resists smudging, ensuring your look stays pristine. If you're aiming for a subtle, dewy highlight or a dreamy K-beauty aesthetic, this will be perfect for you. What people say. The sparkles are very pretty and accurate to the product listing. It applies and stays and has tons of glitter. I often add this over my usual black winged liner for an extra pop on my eyes if I'm going out at night, or I use it on its own during the day for a lovely, demure look. It goes on really smoothly and easily, and it's light enough to not look like something a preteen would wear to a school dance. I can also put a dab on my inner and outer eye and use it as a bit of a highlighter by just blending it in. It looks lovely that way. I love this stuff and it lasts forever. I use it literally every day in one way or another and I expect it to last quite a while longer. Number 2. MODA Mythical Star 6PC Travel Makeup Brush Kit. Introducing the MODA Mythical Star 6PC Travel Size Makeup Brush Kit. Get ready to shine with this essential collection. Crafted with soft, vegan bristles, these brushes are kind to your skin and animals. Experience quality without compromise. Designed for your busy lifestyle, this kit is perfectly portable. Take your favorite tools wherever your adventures lead you. Make a statement with the Dazzling holographic travel case. It's as stylish as it is functional, keeping your brushes protected. This 6-piece set includes everything you need for flawless face and eye application. Achieve any look with ease. Elevate your makeup routine with this versatile and beautiful brush kit. It's the perfect addition to your beauty collection. What we like. This set provides versatile tools for flawless makeup application on the go. The brushes are incredibly soft and ethically made. If you travel frequently or want a compact, stylish brush collection, this kit is a fantastic companion. What people say. The brushes are great. For now I can say they are super soft. They offer decent coverage and blending. Very nice quality brushes. They hold to cleaning regularly, no shedding and very pretty. These brushes are not only beautiful but oh so soft. The eye brushes are fantastic. I would definitely buy these again. Number 1. Unicorn Glow Dazzling Liquid Eyeliner, 02 Forest. Discover the Unicorn Glow Dazzling Liquid Eyeliner in the shade 02 Forest, Olive Green. It's your new go-to for a flawless look. Achieve precise application with its ultra-slim tip. It allows for effortless creation of delicate lines or bold wings. Experience a quick-drying formula that sets fast and stays put all day. You won't have to worry about smudging or fading. Embrace the rich, vivid olive green shade. This unique color adds a touch of sophisticated charm to any makeup look. Feel good about your beauty choices. This product is proudly cruelty-free and expertly made in Korea. Elevate your eye makeup game with this essential liner. Its long-lasting formula ensures your eyes look stunning from morning to night. What we like. Its fine tip allows for incredibly detailed and sharp lines. The fast-drying formula prevents any transfer or smudging. If you're looking for a unique, sophisticated color or precise application for a modern look, this offers a chic and effortless finish. What people say. The color is exactly what I wanted, as it's hard to find a true olive color eyeliner. It has a little sparkle to it, goes on smoothly and stays on very long. It's easy to use and removes easily with soap and water. Easy to apply plus it lasts. No smearing or smudging all day even with contact lens drops. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.